Hello everyone, welcome to the Panda Express Project channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Panda. And today we're going to figure out, is this engine savable? Stay tuned. Alright you guys, today we're going to find out if this engine is savable. Luckily, it is savable. Surprisingly, the crankshaft was actually not in bad condition upon further inspection. So, because of that, it took me a while to order a few parts, but because of that, we're definitely going to fix this engine. But, in order to fix the engine, we require a few parts. Now, if you remember the last video I posted, or last video I've uploaded, the crankshaft timing sprocket was chewed up. I already ordered a new one. It's already here. I have it. I got a shout out to Corey from Oregon for sending out the parts quickly as possible. I mean, he literally pulled it off the engine and shipped it the same day. Within a few days, it was already at my doorstep. So I shout out to you. So let's show you what the sprocket looks like. So, this is the original sprocket that came off my car. This is the sprocket that Corey sent me. Now, if you look at the original one that came off my car, on the inside, you can see how badly chewed up. I don't know if I aim at it correctly, but you can see that's fucked up. This one that came out, thanks to Corey, it's in really good shape. Everything's still there. So, junk part, good part. So, while we're at it, I decided to do the seals since I'm already this far in. As you know, this car is 30 years old and the engine is original, so most of the rubber are about 30 years old. So, it's old. And I actually pulled one of the seals already just to show you. Here's the original seal that came off of my engine. You can see it looks okay on the front, but if you look in the back of it, it's pretty bad. Dry rotted, it's cracking. You can see all that right there is all crowded. It's nasty. This is the new seal. It's probably better looking. It's newer, and hopefully it fits. You see, new rubber. See? Don't mind all that crap. That's because I was making sure it's the same size, and it is. So that's the new rubber. So old rubber, new rubber. Now that's just for the front main seal. I already have the camshaft seals and also the seals for the oil pump, I was assuming. I think. Hold on. Yeah, it is the oil pump. So we're good on that. So, and also a little update what's going on with the engine since I haven't recorded in a while. So, during the period where I didn't record, I might as well did a little cleaning, spray the metal part here down. And now you see all the nice aluminum metal. It's shiny-ish. Well, that. Also, during that time, I also removed the radiator. That's the condenser. Don't worry about that. The radiator is actually pretty simple. Just there's a hose here, which is right there, hose here, 2 bolts, and right out. Easy. Probably the most easiest radiator job I've ever done. And it's also still in good condition, so I'm gonna reuse the radiator and including every other part. So, since we're this far in, let's get ready to do the cam seal, since that's the most difficult one. Luckily, I brought tools to help out the job a little easier. Except for the sprocket, I'm going to figure that part out later. Well, let's get rolling. Just on a side note, if you guys are doing stuff like this, make sure you wear safety glasses and gloves and protective gear. You don't want stuff hitting your eye. Now, you're curious, are this safety glasses? No, but at least prevents stuff hitting my eye, so it won't be too bad. Plus, it's sunny as hell out here, so it's going to help. Oh yeah. I forgot one more thing I forgot to mention. Now, remember the Woodruff key I mentioned that it was sheared off? Well, here's the new seals. Here's the box. Wish to be sponsored by the United States Post Office, but give me a minute. So while I was at it, I ordered a Woodruff key during the period where I was not recording. So these are the Woodruff key. Well, this is an empty packet, but these are one of the Woodruff. Actually, there's two of them in here. So there's two Woodruff keys in here, one for the sprocket and one for the pulley. So surprisingly, they still sell them brand new. So, but if you guys are gonna buy them, buy at least a bunch of them due to the fact that the shipping kills you. It's literally like $9 to ship one little piece. Might as well order 20 of them and still be $9 to ship. You can sell the rest later, up to you. But these are the Woodruff key. I'll show you the original one. Here's the original one. As you can see, this is the pulley. Now, don't worry about that. That's me hitting it and trying to figure out what besides that. But this is fine. This, however, was all fucked up. Now, it may not look much, but this is actually sheared off. Just this small portion. Just that small piece sheared off. And cause, where's the other sprocket? Is this one? That much damage. Like, just that little thing caused that much damage. But anyway. Alright, let's get ready to pull out the camshaft sprockets and do the seal. Well, there we go. The first seal is in. Now we got to do the other side. Now, if you guys are curious why am I using a socket and a hammer, it's easier to tap the seal in when perfectly flat when you have the right socket or something close to that circumference. But that one side is done. Let's put the sprocket back on, and these need to be torqued down. I already know what the torque specs are them already, so before I put the bolt together, I put thread lockers so they don't fucking come off. Let's continue with the next one. Also, when doing these seals, make sure you apply plenty of lube. Very important. Alright, you guys, both the front cam seals are done. They're also been torqued down and Loctite. They're torqued down to, it actually calls for 51. I went to 55. It's only difference by 4 foot-pound, but at least I guarantee it won't fucking come off. The next one now is the front, probably the front main seal. After I tap in the one of the Woodruff key, hopefully it doesn't fuck up. Alright, now we got the cam seals in, get the front main seals in. The last one is the oil pump seal, and that'll be the last thing I'll probably have to do for seal wise here. Alright, you guys, so far I did all the seals. Right now I'm already having issue with the Woodruff key, but that's okay. I already accomplished what I wanted to do today, which is do all the seals and pretty much, yeah, just do the seals and clean up the crap up. So that's pretty much it. I'll clean this up all, right after the video. But so far, I mean, we're almost there. We're so close, man. Like, all I need is get these Woodruff key and aligned properly, and then the sprocket can go on. But so far, I'm already having an issue with that. So, for the time being, I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna clean up. I mean, it's getting hot. It's starting to get late, and I'm sweating my ball sack off here. I'm gonna go inside, take a nice shower, you know, and cool off. So, I hope you guys liked the video. Hit the like button, you know, right below there. If you want to see more of what's going on, hit the subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future. Peace out.